Boost your health and beat that cough. 2. Natural remedies. That work looking for natural ways to improve your health? These 2 simple remedies can help with iron deficiency, aging, harmful bacteria, and even stubborn coughs. 2. Effective natural remedies. Avocado power. Regular consumption of avocado helps fight iron deficiency, eliminates harmful bacteria, slows aging, and renews skin cells. A true superfood for a healthier you. Garlic cough. Remedy. Crush 3-4 cloves of garlic. Add them to a glass of milk or water and let it boil. Once warm, drink it to soothe your throat and clear up that persistent cough. Which one will you try first? Let us know in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips.